If you're new here, I recently switched over to the Mediterranean diet just to help my family eat better and feel better. Today we're making something quick, fun, and fast. It's a quick shawarma pizza that takes everything that you love about shawarma and puts it on a golden, crispy flatbread. And it's topped with a creamy white shawarma sauce. We're starting with boneless, skinless chicken thighs. They're more flavorful than breast and they stay juicy, and I'm just slicing them into thin strips. And for the shawarma marinade, we've got some olive oil, some fresh lemon juice, and I have some shawarma seasoning here, which I made, and I list the ingredients on the blog, but you can definitely just use store-bought as well. And I added in some freshly grated garlic, but I forgot to include that in the video, but don't forget that. Give it a good mix and set it aside for about 10 minutes. While the chicken's marinating, I'm gonna make a quick shawarma sauce. It's garlicky and super tangy, and it makes the pizza. And I'm starting off with some Greek yogurt, and I'm using 2%, and it comes out great, but if you only have full fat, you can use that as well. And I'm also adding in some QP mayo. It's my favorite brand of mayo, as well as some fresh lemon juice. And for the seasonings, I've got some onion powder, garlic powder, parsley, paprika, and a little salt and pepper. Go ahead and add that in. And then I'm adding in a little bit of olive oil. And I almost forgot the most important ingredient, some fresh garlic. I'm just gonna use my microplane to grate in about 2 small cloves or 1 medium clove. And you just blend it until it's nice and creamy. And this is the same sauce that they use on the street cart shawarma. It's great as a leftover, great to dip anything in. In a large pan or cast iron skillet, add in a little olive oil and heat it on medium-high heat until the oil is nice and hot. You'll then add in your chicken in a single layer. And what we're looking for is for it to caramelize. So you're cooking it on high heat so it isn't steaming. It's getting that nice color to it. I'm using a store-bought lavash bread, like a whole wheat, but you can use naan or pita or any flatbread of your choice. We're making it really easy. And I'm just topping it with some grated mozzarella cheese, and I'm also gonna top it with a little bit of oregano. And I'm using a pizza stone, but you could also use a baking sheet, and I'm gonna bake this for 8 to 10 minutes until the cheese is melted. While that's baking, I'm gonna prep some of the toppings. I've got some Roma tomatoes, which I'm slicing into half moons, and I'm also thinly slicing some red onions. I've also got some banana peppers and a little arugula to add in some greens. Our pizza is ready, and the crust is nice and golden, and we're ready to top it with the toppings. And our cheese is nice and melted and done, so I'm gonna start with some of the shawarma chicken. Top it with your sliced Roma tomatoes, as much or as little as you like. And then we've got our sliced red onions. I'm gonna add in the banana peppers, and of course, our nice and peppery arugula. And for the final and most important part, you'll top it with your white sauce. You wanna make sure to sauce right before you eat though, so that it isn't really soggy, and then you can just cut it into 4s or even into 6s. It depends on how many people you're serving. I cannot wait to dig into this. And you know what? I'm a sauce gal. I'm gonna measure with my heart and add in some more sauce. Yes, this looks so good. It's so crispy on the bottom. Can't wait. Guys, that is delicious. It's got the shawarma flavor and that creamy, tangy sauce. You're gonna love it. It's on your table in under 20 minutes. Perfect for the weeknights. If you try it, let me know in the comments. Bon appetit.